Welcome to the Sparkle Zone. Today, we're making a unique bracelet that's going to shine like no other. 3mm spacer beads, 4mm circle rhinestones, 4x8 shaped marquise, clasps and crimp beads.
Young and old,
Let's do it!
craftswoman's heart beats strong.
This bracelet looks elegant and luxurious, with a beautiful combination of sparkling stones and a sensual green gemstone. The intricate detailing gives it a high-end, vintage-inspired look.
With every stitch, every thread that waits, in her workshop love resides, where art and craft abide.
Join the WhatsApp group for product links and details.
The jewelry fine, her hands weave magic.
That's it for today's bracelet magic.
A symphony.
Share your creations in the comments and hit that bell so you never miss a sparkle.